Hello everyone, I am Nasiman, a solution engineer at Nutrient. Today I am going to walk you through a code sample available in our awesome Nutrient repo. Add and count a checkmark annotation in toolbar. So I'll take you through the sample. So the use cases, we need to create a toolbar button having a stamp annotation. And whenever we click on that and place, it has to place the annotation on the PDF. And also it has to count the number of annotations, especially stamp annotations. So we will check the code, go through the code. We have to load the document. Once the document is loaded, we need to create a button here. It's a standard code for loading the document, and in the we have to pass the custom type because we are creating a custom button there. And you can pass the ID, whatever ID you want, and you can make the group of annotations, and if you can pass the class name or the title. If you pass the class name and you paste the icon here, I'm placing the SVG icon, a tick mark icon there. So if you want to place the title instead of icon, you can just unremove it and comment this. If you don't comment, both will appear and it could look odd. So you can use either one of them. So I'll prefer to go with the icon. And once the icon is created, we have to maintain a toggle state because every time, like when we click and second time, if you keep clicking, it will just keep putting the stamp annotation on the PDF. So if you again click it, it will not. You can actually select the annotations now. So we need to maintain this toggle behavior. And also we need to maintain the current state of the toolbar selection, what state it is now. So that's why we use this code. Now after that, we need to now do the add the counter. So for that, we need to have a event listener and annotation.create on the annotation.create event. So we get the counter and we loop through all the pages and get the annotations, and we'll filter out for stamp annotation and stamp type as accepted. So only for these things, we'll increment the counter. And actually, we need to create the stamp now. So for creation of the stamp on the event, we'll use the stamp annotation. And for every page, whatever page we are in, we have to put the annotation on that page, stamp annotation on that page. So we'll create a bounding box for it. And we use event.point.x so that wherever the mouse is pointed, we'll place the annotation there. And important is stamp type as accepted. So then we'll create the stamp here. Accepted is for a tick mark and rejected is for the X mark. So we can get complete list here in our website, nutrient.io/API/web, and you can get all guide of API. So here we have the full list, and alternatively, you can go to our guides web and ask AI. You can just type in which SDK you want to query in and what you want to look for. I want to look for the stamp types here. I get all the list of the stamps here. Hope this was helpful. If you need any clarifications, feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a good day.